morning, I'm James Carson with your Fresh Take Weather Report. Jamaicans, be prepared for an increase in rainfall over the next few days as the Meteorological Service of Jamaica monitors a developing weather system in the southwestern Caribbean Sea. This area of low pressure currently has a 30% chance of becoming a tropical cyclone within the next 24 hours and is expected to move slowly northward, reaching close to Jamaica by Sunday night. Expect cloudy skies, periods of heavy showers, thunderstorms, and gusty winds, particularly across eastern and south central parishes, continuing through Wednesday. Marine workers, especially fishers, should take extra precautions, as sea conditions may become dangerous with increased wind and thunderstorms. Stay safe, stay informed, and we'll keep you updated here on Fresh Take Weather Report.